Experiencing issues activating your US mobile eSIM? You're not alone. Many users face problems due to software bugs, device-specific quirks, and carrier-side issues. Activation failures often stem from incompatible devices, network errors, or outdated software. These issues can be caused by software bugs, device-specific quirks, and carrier-side problems. First, ensure your phone is eSIM compatible. Most modern smartphones support it, including iPhones, since the iPhone XS, and Android devices like the Samsung Galaxy S series. Check that your device is unlocked and that US Mobile supports eSIM activation for your specific plan. Common errors include unable to connect to server, which often indicates a poor cellular signal, VPN interference, or back-end outages at US Mobile. Verify your device has a stable internet connection and that no VPN is active during activation. Keeping your device updated is essential. Apple's iOS 18.2 and Google's Android 15 include improved eSIM troubleshooting tools. Before proceeding with advanced steps, ensure you've installed the latest OS updates and US Mobile app version. It is best to go through a checklist to see if you missed a step before moving on. Ensure compatibility, stable connection, no VPN, and updated software before moving to advanced troubleshooting steps. If your US Mobile eSIM isn't activating, begin with basic troubleshooting. Restart your device and reset network settings to clear any cached data that might be interfering. If using a QR code for activation, ensure it's scanned correctly and that the activation code is entered accurately. Contact US Mobile support via their app or helpline if the QR code method fails. For persistent issues, utilize diagnostic apps available on Android, such as eSIM Manager apps, to identify potential conflicts. If you encounter server errors, wait 24 to 48 hours, as back-end processing delays are common during peak activation periods. If problems persist, consider using US Mobile's diagnostic tools or contacting their technical support for manual activation. In some cases, a firmware bug might be the culprit. Check for device-specific updates from your phone manufacturer. Remember, ensuring proper QR code scanning and following US Mobile's activation tutorials can prevent many common errors, resolving up to 40% of activation failures.